right? Then we have panpsychism or panpsychism. I could never pronunciate a lot of.
You may meet a girl and she's wearing the perfume that your first girlfriend had.
Love. And I came to the conclusion that love is a mirrored manifestation or a reflection of our. It'll break because it's long.
It just does it itself.
Well, the root is fragile, so I can't twist it. I have to just let it.
Circadian rhythm basically is a sleep moderator, right? And this works with the melatonin, which induces.
So they have the same philosophy, but
and while studying tonality, if you get into phonetics and phonology and linguistics,
So, how the search query, how the algorithm. So, in art, you have something called composition.
sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs.
We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.